Getting a flat tire on a deserted highway can completely ruin your travel schedule. A portable tire air compressor plugs directly into your vehicle to get you back on the road in minutes. And that's where our guide to the top 10 best portable tire air compressors you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Fanttik X8 Apex combines portability, power, and convenience in a compact cordless tire inflator. With up to 150 psi, a bright digital display, precise auto shutoff, and presets for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls, it delivers fast and accurate inflation. The built-in 7,600 to 7,800 mAh battery also works as a power bank, while the LED flashlight adds emergency utility. Its premium construction feels durable and reliable, though the 1.3-pound weight is slightly heavier than basic inflators, and extended heavy use may cause heat buildup. Built for demanding adventures, the ETENWOLF VORTEX S7 combines powerful tire inflation, portable power, and emergency lighting in one rugged package. Its dual 260-watt motors deliver up to 1.85 cubic feet per minute, inflating a 30-inch SUV tire in about 30 seconds. The massive 38,400 mAh battery can refill dozens of truck tires on a single charge. Auto-stop PSI control adds convenience, while dual 45-watt USB-C ports power devices on the go. A bright 1,000-lumen LED light enhances safety during roadside emergencies. Compact and ready for the road, the AstroAI L7 delivers up to 150 psi in a lightweight cordless design that fits easily in a glove box or backpack. It inflates a standard car tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes and can handle up to 8 tires per charge. True Gauge technology samples pressure 200 times per second for accurate readings, while 4+N preset modes simplify operation. Auto shutoff prevents overinflation, and the built-in LED flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes add emergency utility. Fast tire inflation meets cordless convenience with the Fanttik X10 Pro portable tire inflator. Capable of reaching 150 psi, it can inflate compact tires in as little as 35 seconds and supports up to 16 R15 tire inflations on a single charge. Auto-stop technology automatically shuts the unit off at the selected pressure for precise results. A colorful LCD display includes presets for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment, plus a custom mode. Integrated storage keeps adapters organized, while built-in emergency lighting improves usability in low-light conditions. Serious inflation power meets cordless convenience with the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6. Equipped with a dual-cylinder pump and a massive 19,200 mAh battery, it delivers up to 1.5 cubic feet per minute and can inflate a 31-inch truck tire from 30 to 35 psi in under a minute. Its 100% duty cycle supports continuous operation without cool-down brakes. Auto-stop technology ensures accurate inflation, while a 1,000-lumen LED light and 45-watt fast-charging power bank add valuable utility. Designed for trucks, SUVs, RVs, bikes, sports equipment, camping gear, and emergency preparedness.
Presenting the Denvix Smart Tire Inflator, ranked as the 5th best portable tire air compressor. This innovative product offers lightning-fast tire inflation, boasting a compact design and a high-performance motor. Within just 6 minutes, it can pump a standard car tire from 0 to 36 psi, equipped with a substantial 15,000 mAh capacity. This all-in-one portable air compressor doubles as a power bank, allowing you to inflate 7 vehicle tires, 22 motorcycles, 31 bicycles, or 154 balls on a single charge. Additionally, it serves as a reliable portable charger for your devices, including phones, tablets, and MacBooks. With its advanced charging capabilities, the Denvix Smart Tire Inflator recharges 3 times faster than traditional portable tire inflators and 2 times faster than standard portable chargers. A mere 10-minute charge with the included fast-charging PD and QC cigarette lighter adapter enables immediate tire inflation. Furthermore, its 4 modes of ultra-bright light provide versatility for various situations, ensuring visibility in the dark, during outdoor activities, or in emergencies. Priced at $129. Meet the Lolssa Portable Tire Air Compressor at number 4, an indispensable tool for every vehicle owner. Featuring a powerful motor, this compressor delivers airflow 3 times faster than conventional models, inflating a small car tire 28 to 35 psi in just 55 seconds. Its versatility extends to cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. Designed for convenience, it boasts an upgraded multi-purpose design with a 20,000 mAh superpower battery, ensuring 1 to 2 hours of continuous operation. Recharge time is a mere 3 to 4 hours, offering a swift turnaround between uses. The device sports a clear screen with a tire pressure gauge, providing dual values for easy reading of preset and real-time pressures. Enhancing safety includes 3 types of lights: LED, SOS, and flashing for night use and emergencies. With 4 preset modes and an auto shut-off feature upon reaching the preset value, it caters to various inflation needs with precision. Priced attractively at $79. Experience efficient and rapid tire inflation with the Sunpow Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, ranked as the 3rd best in its category. Boasting a powerful 19-cylinder air pump and a high-speed motor running at 15,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers a swift airflow of 32 liters per minute and can reach a maximum pressure of 160 psi. In just 6 minutes, it can inflate a 205/55 R16 car tire from 0 to 36 psi, saving you valuable time and effort. Equipped with a 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery, this portable tire inflator ensures 40 minutes of continuous inflation without the need for a corded power supply. Its quick connection technology allows for easy operation, taking just 1 second to connect the inflation tube and inflator. Featuring 5 preset inflation modes and real-time pressure monitoring displayed on an LCD screen, it ensures convenient and safe usage. The built-in LED lights provide emergency lighting, and the fast charging port transforms it into a useful mobile power source for other devices. Priced at $44, it comes with a 3-year product warranty and 24-hour customer service, guaranteeing satisfaction. Introducing the Prilotte Portable Air Compressor, hailed as the number 2 best portable tire air compressor. This versatile device is a game-changer for any vehicle owner or outdoor enthusiast. Powered by a robust 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Prilotte compressor offers unparalleled convenience with wireless operation, lasting 1 to 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Equipped with preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and balls, it effortlessly stops at the desired pressure, catering to novices and experts alike. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it swiftly inflates tires and various inflatables, boasting a remarkable airflow of 34 liters per minute. Its large LED digital display ensures easy monitoring of tire pressure, eliminating the risk of overinflation. Designed for emergencies, the compressor features an LED light for nighttime visibility and serves as a power bank through its USB ports, ensuring your devices stay charged on the go. Priced at an affordable $79. Say hello to the Fanttik X9 Ultra, the undisputed champion among portable tire air compressors. Its unparalleled speed is not just impressive, it's revolutionary. In a mere 58 seconds, this cordless wonder breathes life into a 33-inch truck tire, hitting the perfect 30 to 35 psi mark with pinpoint accuracy. But the X9 Ultra is more than just a tire inflator, it's a versatile 3-in-1 companion, combining tire inflation prowess with a portable power station boasting a 92.5 watt-hour battery and a potent flashlight. From powering drones to illuminating your campsite, it's your ultimate adventure buddy. Equipped with a robust 5Ah battery, the X9 Ultra can refill 25 pickup tires or inflate 4.5 pickup tires from scratch on a single charge, ensuring you're never stranded with a flat. Its smart precision extends to 4 customizable modes, offering seamless pressure level recording and recall for effortless operation. And let's not forget its practical design, featuring an ultra-long 45-inch inflation hose and dedicated storage for accessories. All this power and convenience come at a modest price of $249, making the Fanttik X9 Ultra a must-have for any road warrior or outdoor enthusiast. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.